Good evening, all of you. Today, I will demonstrate to you how to find anagrams in Python without using inbuilt function. That is, we will not use any sort function or iter rules to find permutation or anything. Okay. So, two methods I'll tell you. Simplest one is sorting, and another one is to find the permutation and then find whether if any of the arrangements are same or not. So, what is an example of anagram? It is two words. Examples are silent and listen. So, if you rearrange the words, both are same. Okay, so that is the example. So, here I have taken two strings with ARU and URA. So, we will check whether these two strings are anagram or not. Okay, so we rearrange this one and see whether they are matching. That's called anagram. So what we are doing here is that simple crude method. Okay, I not use any tough functions or anything. Just I am sorting these two strings and then checking whether that sorted strings are same or not. Okay, so simple sort method. Sorry, that we use using the temp what we have studied in the basic class. So we sort these two strings, and if these two strings are same, sorted strings are same, we will say it's anagram. Okay, just we will try this. Okay, so ARUN and ARU and URA. Okay, so it tells it is anagram. Okay, it tells it is anagram. Okay, so what is that? Two loops are there. I ranging from 0 to length of string -1, and j moves from I plus 1 to length of string, and see whether the first one is greater than the second. So a will be compared to u, and I mean a or u. This will be passed, and it will check whether a is greater than r. If it is greater, interchange will happen, and it is a function, and it will return the sorted string, and just we will compare this here. Sorted thing is same or not. If it is same, it will tell it is anagram. Or you can just change here and see. So it is not printing anagram, it is not anagram. So that's it. So I hope you understood. You are just sorting a string using our basic sorting function. We wrote our function, and then the return string will be compared, and then if it is same, we will say it is a sorted one. Okay, and you can have one more check whether length is same or not. All these things you can see. If it is same, then if it is not same, there itself you can tell it is not an anagram. Okay, yes, it is not an anagram. Okay, so you can just give a pre-check whether I mean one condition is length should be same, but I have not written that. You can just do that. And another one method I have done is I have done using the permutation. Okay, I will show you that. Okay, permutation. So I'm taking same. I have just commented this sorting, and so we have taken ARU. So how many combination will be there? 6 combination will be there. Okay, so this is the function for permutation. So we are just printing all the combinations of ARU and URA, and then we will just go to a for loop and check whether any of the sorted any of the permutation values are same or not. So here just we'll check. From here it starts. So we have written a function for permute. So this will give the permutation, different permutations of the data. Okay, this much. Okay, so I will give the initial string, and then I will store that result in result1, and again I will find the permutations of the string 2, and then I will store that in result2, and then I'll print both the results, and then I will traverse from all the elements of result1 and result2, and if I find two elements are equal, I'll print this anagram. So complexity is more in this. We'll just try this one. Okay, so see here. So ARU and URA. So different permutations are ARU, AUR, RAU, RUA, URA, and UAR. 6 combinations. Okay, 3P3, that is 6. Okay, 3 factorial divided by 0 factorial, that gives 6. 3 into 2 divided by 1. 0 factorial is 1, so it gives 6. So for ARU, these are the 6 permutations, and for URA, these are the 6 permutations, and we will first take in this loop. Now in this loop, what we are doing is we will take this ARU and check it with all the elements of this one, and if anyone is same, we will just print it is anagram and it will break. So we will just give here another V, and then we will just check. See here, these are different combinations, but it is not printed anagram. So because it is not anagram. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Example is silent. Now we'll just change here silent and listen. So 6P6 is 720. 720 permutations will come. So 720 permutations will come, and you can just type length of okay, 720. The 720 is 6P6, and it is told it is anagram. I hope you understood. I'll just post this code along with the video. I'll just explain once again. This function gives the permutations. Okay, so different permutations of a string, and then I will store that result in 2 variables, and then I will traverse through these two variables using this for loop, and I will check whether each element, one element is same as the another element. So if it is same, I'll print it is anagram. Okay, so just once again show once 3-letter combination, and then so these are the permutations we got. I'll take one element of the first string, and it will check with the all elements of this second string. If any one is same, it will tell it is anagram. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.